Hey there friends, how are you? I'm so excited to do yoga with you today. My name is Sara, but before we get started, I wanted to talk about the mind jar that I used in class yesterday. Remember the sparkly jar that I brought out because it reminded me of the stars? I have it right here. Let's get a closer look. So, I use my mind jar because it reminds me of my body. All those sparkles are like my thoughts and my feelings. Sometimes if I'm feeling overwhelmed, like I'm feeling angry or sad or just way too much is going on, I feel kind of like this, all shaken up. And all my thoughts and all of my feelings are just floating everywhere. I can't even see through that. But I wanted to show you how yoga can help us to calm our bodies and calm our minds. So by breathing and moving, we can help our body to calm down and our thoughts and our feelings to calm down too. So I'm going to leave this off to the side and we'll see what it looks like at the end of class. Deal? Awesome. Find your crisscross applesauce and let's get started. Remember, I'm going to ring the singing bowl 3 times, so you have 3 whole rings to get any sillies and wiggles out, to sit up nice and tall, to let your breath go if you need to, and to find stillness. Let's see if we can focus for practice. Get out your wiggles. Sit up nice and tall. Is your body almost ready? Oh, wow, you're so still. What a good job. I can't even see you moving at all. Are you a statue now? Good job. Let's find our breath. Hands in front of our heart, give them a rub, get them warm. Let's rub our hands and take a deep breath. Rub our hands and take a deep breath. Good. One more. Let it be your biggest one. Rub our hands and take a deep breath. Amazing. So our bodies are ready, our breath is ready. Let's get moving. Can you stand up and turn into a rocket ship? Do you remember how to do that? Good job, you remembered. So we stand up, we bend our knees and we reach up high. Yeah. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Stretch out those arms and let one leg float back behind you to turn into a big airplane. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. Let's try the other foot. Find your airplane, find your balance. And then let's take our airplane for a ride around the room. All the way down to our bellies. Let's turn into that dump truck. Bend our knees, reach back for our feet, and kick our feet into our hands. Lift up your heart. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Find your fire truck. Remember, it's a downward dog with one leg in the sky. So let's lift our fire hoses. You got it. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun. Try the other leg. Good. Please shine down on me. Okay. Can you come all the way up to stand? And we're going to keep talking about transportation. ways that we can get from one place to another place, right? Today we're talking about community helpers. So that could be people who help out in our communities, and a lot of them drive special trucks or special vehicles to get places, right? Think of like a mail person or a mail carrier. They have their big mail truck that they drive around to deliver all the packages. Or think of a firefighter. They have to drive their fire truck in order to go help put out the fires, right? So we're going to talk about some of those vehicles in our songs today. First things first though, you'll know this song. We're going to sing Wheels on the Bus, but with a yoga twist. Can you stretch your legs out nice and wide? Get out those wheels. But our bus isn't just driving on any regular road, it's going up and down all the hills. So can you reach up with your wheels and then reach them all the way down? Good job. Can you sing with me? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. What do the doors do on the bus? Do they go up and down? Do they go fast and slow? They go open and shut. You're right. So our feet are where they need to be. Stretch out those arms as well. We'll open them, and then when we shut them, we'll hop our feet together and clap our hands together. Ready? The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. We're in our mountain. Look at that. There's lots of other things happening on the bus, like those wipers, which I know this is the easy way to do them. Let's try and do them with our legs this time. So if we need help balancing, we can always put our hand on the wall or on a shelf if we need, okay? Otherwise, let's see if we can pick up one foot. Good job. And we're really strong in our standing leg. And we're going to let our wipers go swish, swish, swish. Can you do that? Good job. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. Swish, swish, swish. Let's try the other leg. Woo! The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. Good job. Okay, there's two more things we're going to do. The people on the bus, they go up and down, right? So let's come down onto our knees. Sit back on our heels like this. And we're going to go up as tall as we can. And when we come down, we're going to find our child's pose. So head down to the floor. Just gently though, very carefully. You can even put your head on your arms if you'd like this. So the people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. Amazing. Okay, we've got one more. It's my favorite, and it's the horn that goes beep, 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 right? But we're going to see if we can try to press the horns of our big toes. So this is gonna get a little tricky. It's a little bit of balancing, but you can do it. Just like our boat pose that we did before for water day, we're going to lift up our feet, keep our back off of the floor. We're going to try and find the horns on our big toes. Are you ready? The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. Way to go, good job. Okay, there's another song that we're going to sing about a few different community helpers. And the tune is kind of like Old MacDonald, but it sounds different. The words have been changed, but just follow along when you're ready. So we're going to first turn into an ambulance. And who drives an ambulance? A paramedic. So we're going to come onto our hands and knees like this. This is called our table in yoga, by the way. We're going to lift one arm in front of us like this, and then our leg from the other side is going to stretch back. Watch what happens if I try and pick up my arm on the same side as my leg. Whew. It's hard to balance like this. It's really wiggly. So we make sure that our arm is from one side and our leg is on the other side. You got it. Perfect. So the song goes like this. See all of the paramedics in their ambulance, going out to help people in their ambulance. With a wee you here and a wee you there, they are driving everywhere. See the paramedics helping with their truck. You got it. Can we try stretching our other leg out and our other arm out? You got it. Ready? See all of the paramedics in their ambulance, going out to help people in their ambulance. With a wee you here and a wee you there, they are driving everywhere. See all of the paramedics in their ambulance. Good job. I kind of said the words a little differently there. I hope that was okay with you. I wanted to try something with you while we're down here. We can try and make a big, I forgot the word. We can try and make the big siren with our bodies. So we'll stretch our arm forward. We'll stretch our leg from the other side back. Now see if you can reach back and catch that foot. Oh, it's a lot of work, but you see the big siren that we're making with our back and with our body? Wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. Let's try the other side when you're ready. Stretch out your other arm, stretch out your other leg, bend and reach back. Wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. Good job, nice ambulances. Okay, we're going to get out our fire trucks again. Do you remember how to do those? Our downward dog with one leg high as our fire hose. Ready? Come into your downward dog. Stretch one leg up toward the sky. Ready? See all of the firefighters with their fire truck, going out to fight the fires with their fire truck. With a splash, splash here. Oh, can we switch legs? And a splash, splash there. There is water everywhere. See the firefighters with their fire trucks. Okay. We've got one more to do, and that's someone who drives a mail truck. Who would that be? A mail carrier or a mail person? You're right. This one's a little trickier. We're going to sit on our bums, put our feet in front of us and our hands behind us, and lift our bums off the floor. You got it. And then we can put the letter in the mailbox like this. Can you lift up one foot and then the other? You got it. Perfect. See the mail person bring the mail with their mail truck. Lots of mail for you and me in their mail truck. There's a package here and a package there. There are packages everywhere. See the mail person bringing mail with their mail truck. Good job. Okay. Oh, my body feels so warm now. Let's just do one last thing. Remember we did some sign language the other day? I wanted to show you how to say thank you to someone. So if you wanted to say thank you to a firefighter or a police officer or someone else, another community helper, you could tell them and they wouldn't even have to hear what you're saying. If we bring our fingers to our chin and move it away. This is thank you. Thank you. Can you try? Thank you. Good job. Okay. We're going to come down to rest our bodies now. You can turn into, whatever we think. You can be a puddle if you'd like. You can lie on your side or you can lie on your stomach, whatever feels good in your body. Resting, resting, resting. And while we're listening to the chime today, can you think about a community helper in your community that you would like to send your thank yous to? So resting our bodies, nice and calm, thinking of all the wonderful people in our community who help us. And maybe out loud or in your mind, can you say, may you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be peaceful. May you be safe. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes. Take a big stretch and look from side to side. Come all the way up to sit when you're ready. Let's take a little look at our mind jar. Ooh, there's less sparkles floating everywhere. It's definitely looking more calm. How are you feeling? Good. Let's thank our bodies. Let's rub our hands. Find your head. Can you say thank you, mind? Rub our hands. Find your heart. Can you say thank you, heart? Rub our hands. Great big squeeze. Thank you, body. Thanks so much, friends, for joining me for yoga today. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.